Hi, today's topic three strong reasons Marathi medium student should be English confident. So, before going ahead, I would like to introduce myself. Hi, friends. My name is Naina Santosh Kamre. I am the student of Zero to Hero in English from Gold Batch. I am a homemaker. My ambition is to become an accountant in multinational company. So today, I would like to share with you about three strong reasons Marathi medium student can be, should be English confident. See guys, Marathi medium student, they have well educated, though they keep away from English language. They complete their education. They don't know about English language so that they can't present themselves in English language. They scare to speak in English language. That's why they can't express in English language in front of anyone. They learn English easily and quickly when they get proper guidance, proper action, and proper environment. Then no one can stop them to express express in English language. English is most important language, guys. Without speaking English, we can't communicate with educated people. English is most important for for Marathi medium student. First, good salary job. Second, communicate with educated people. And third, visiting to international countries. English is spoken from everywhere. So that's why we must learn English. Respect is got from educated people. So we must learn English. So here I would like to share with you about my experience. Guys, महिन्यापूर्वी मला इंग्रजी भाषा येत नव्हती. त्या कारणाने अ, मला कधी अ, मी खूप मौल्यवान संधी गमावल्या. मला जॉब मिळाला पण चांगली सॅलरी मिळाली नाही. माझे कधी प्रमोशन झाले नाही. मी क्लायंट सोबत संवाद करताना घाबरायची. का? कारण ते क्लायंट इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलत होते. सो त्या सगळ्या कारणामुळे मी कधी यशस्वी माझ्या जीवनामध्ये होऊ शकले नाही. सो बिकॉज ऑफ इंग्लिश लँग्वेज फक्त इंग्रजी भाषा कारणामुळे मी फार मौल्यवान